Hello friends, how are you? This is Raman and today I'm going to update you on the hottest news about Canadian immigration in October 2018. And we will start from Express Entry. In Express Entry, the draw held on October 15th. They issued around 3,900 ITAs, which is quite larger than the previous one, and the score level dropped 5 points from the previous draw. Previously it was 445 and this time around that drops down to 440. That means, which I suggested in my last video also, that if you have post graduation with you and you have CLB 9, and if your age is around 32 or 33, you can easily qualify for this. Your total score will be around 443. Apart from that, if you don't have post graduation but your age is on the lower side, still you have 430 to 435 point if you are single. In that case also you can apply, but you have to wait for some time because scores are not going to decrease because of certain policy changes in years that's already going on. So we have to wait for some more days for seeing that scores to be dropped down to 430 or somewhere around 420. So that was all about access entry, and the second news was about Ontario immigration. Ontario issued new invitation to access entry candidates. That's two types they have issued basically. One is skilled trades, and the second one is French speaking. In skilled trade, if we talk about particularly in that category, they issued invitation to apply for PR for express entry. Around 439 invitations has been issued by Ontario, and most these numbers 439 is the most in a single draw. And in French speaking also they issued around 39 invitations on October 18th, and which is six more than the last draw, which was held on October 11th. So that means if a candidate satisfies the Ontario immigration eligibility criteria in that they have the minimum bench level score of English or French of CLB 5, and if they have given the expression of interest OINP, and of course if they qualified under any of the skilled worker category, then definitely their chances are bright, even though your scores are lesser. So still the government of on that Ontario, they are actually targeting to fulfill the vacancies majorly on the shortage basis. The third hottest news is about Saskatchewan. They hold largest expression of interest draw at lowest score to date of express entry and occupation in demand candidates invited. They invited 853 candidates, which is the largest till date. And the last one is IRCC says that the revised citizenship rules are resulting in more new Canadians. Actually, in 2017, they changed certain rules. Like for example, previously for PR, the permanent resident has to be physically present around 4 years out of 6 years, but they have relaxed down that rule to 3 years out of 5 years. So because of that, they are saying that there is an increase of 130% of application. So that's a good news, and over the that's around 40% increase in the last 12 months also has been seen in this Saskatchewan invitations. So friends, all these detail I've just gave you the brief view of the hottest news about Canadian immigration. But if you want to check detailed information, that's available on the government website, that is www.cicnews.com. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.